Okay, this one was special. The third place game. The game everyone says nobody cares about. The two teams that just lost their semifinals playing for the bronze medal. On paper, a formality. In reality, we just watched 10 goals, a hat trick, a comeback, and pure chaos right to the final whistle. England 6, France 4. Buckle up. Let's go. So, how do you get to 6-4? Well, England came out on absolute fire. Declan Rice smashed one in after just 3 minutes. Konsa made it 2. Then Bukayo Saka took over. He scored in the 37th minute and again right on halftime. 4-0 England at the break. 4-0. It looked like a total demolition. And honestly, it looked like France had just given up. But this is a World Cup with some of the best attackers on the planet. And France were not done. Because the second half, completely different game. 3 minutes in, Kylian Mbappé pulled one back. 6 minutes later, Bradley Barcola made it 4-2. And then Mbappe struck again in the 66th minute. 4-3. Suddenly, France had scored 3 goals in 18 minutes. The momentum had completely flipped, and everyone watching was thinking the same thing. Is France about to complete the greatest comeback of the tournament? The atmosphere was electric, but England steadied themselves. In the 87th minute, they won a penalty. And up stepped Saka, ice cold, to complete his hat trick and make it 5-3. Surely that was game over? Nope. Deep into stoppage time, Ousmane Dembélé pulled another one back for France. 5-4, and now there were nerves, but England had the last word. In the 8th minute of stoppage time, the very last kick of the game, Jude Bellingham slammed home the 6th. 6-4. The whistle blew, and everyone just kind of laughed, because what on earth did we just watch? So, England take the bronze medal in a game that had absolutely no right to be that good. Saka with a hat trick, Mbappe with a brace, and 10 goals total. The most entertaining match of the entire World Cup, and it was the one for third place. If that was the appetizer, imagine the main course, because tomorrow is the big one. Argentina versus Spain, the World Cup final. I'll be right here to break it down. So subscribe, ring that bell, and go rewatch those highlights. Until the next whistle, what a game. See you soon.